Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina Holloway and I am an Outschool teacher, and I'm also a travel agent. So sometimes you're going to see me on here sharing with you some information on my Outschool classes and what I teach in Outschool, and sometimes you're going to see me on here suggesting travel ideas and travel deals and travel tips. And the lesson that we had for today was apologizing and how important it is to friendships, relationships, to be able to and willing to apologize. And not just saying you're sorry, that's just part of it, of course, but how you say it, what you say. We talked about the tone that you use when you say things to other people is often more important than the words that you say. So, for instance, if I was saying I'm sorry, and I said it just like that. If I said, sorry, or sorry, I mean, I'm saying the word, but the meaning and the feeling isn't there. It's not, sorry. It's not going to mean anything. It doesn't sound sincere. Sincerity it means that you're being genuine, you're being honest, you're saying it like you mean it. So if I was just saying the word sorry, I would want to say it more like this. Sorry. I'm using my expression, the tone, my body language. That's another key feature. You know, when you are sitting like this, we talk about this. This is the cold shoulder. When you are talking to someone and you want them to feel what you're saying, you don't want to just say it, sorry. You want to turn in their direction and say it. Sorry. This makes people feel things. So I share with students ways that they can practice these things and how important it is to practice, because you may have a situation in which an apology is really going to be necessary to mend a good friendship. You don't want to lose a friendship over something you said or done or forgotten to say, forgotten to do, and you need to be willing and able to apologize in the best possible way. I also encourage students that if you have an apology that you are planning to share with someone, that you might even practice. We do some role playing. So if you are in need of, if you are thinking about apologizing to someone for something, you might practice yourself. Practice it in a mirror. Practice it with a prop. I can use whatever I need. I can get a friend to help me and practice with a friend. But if it's something that is important to you, if it's a relationship that's important, you got to be willing and able to apologize with sincerity. All right? If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in taking my class on Outschool or any other classes on Outschool, I have a link below in the description. Click on that link. It will take you there. You're going to get, if you're a new family to Outschool, you're going to get a discount. And I hope I will see your learner in my class. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Bye-bye.